So let's have a look at the fourth and final adjustment for O'Connell 2021 paper. So it's looking at the percentage markup on cost. So the formula for that is going to be your gross profit divided that by your cost of sales. So we know that these figures need to be in your profit and loss account. So our gross profit listeners calculated for us at 417,000. Sorry, gross profit 417,000, and then your cost of sales then is 433,000. So if you need to calculate your cost of sales, you take your gross profit away from your credit sales, and if you calculate your gross profit, you take your gross cost of sales away from your gross profit. It's just working in this column here. So now that we have our figures, our gross profit is going to be 417,000. And we're dividing that then by your 433, and we're finding a percentage, so we're going to multiply the figure then by 100. So it's 417,000 divided by 433,000. It's going to give you 0.9630. So because it's a 4, we're not going to round up. So when we multiply this out by 100, we're going to get 96.30. So if this 4, so remember 96 is our whole number, 0.30 is the next 2, and then the fifth number, which is your 4, because that's less than 5, we're not going to round it up. So remember the question says to 2 place a decimal. So to 2 place a decimal where appropriate. So our 2 place a decimal is going to be 30. So you're going to look at the next figure. If that's below 5, you keep it the same. It's above 5, you round it up to 1. And we're going to have the unit then is correct, which is your percentage. So that's your percentage markup, gross profit divided by cost of sales. This figure was nice because it's given our gross profit of 417. If that figure wasn't there, you use your credit sales figure and you take away the 433. And the next figure is your cost of sales. So if that cost of sales of 433 wasn't there, you take away the 417 away from the 850, and that'll give you 433. So we've identified our two figures. Now we can put the two figures into the formula, divide it out, and then multiply it by 100 to get your percentage. That's the fourth and final adjustment done for O'Connell for 2021.